Hello, and welcome to HealthCheck Guard video number 1, Application Installation and Logging In. This video is part 1 of a 2-part series intended to help walk a Guard or administrative user through using HealthCheck Guard to validate a user's HealthCheck passport. This validation is done with any QR code created by HealthCheck without contact between the Guard and the HealthCheck user, whether it's a mobile device or even printed on a piece of paper. First, and most importantly, HealthCheck Guard requires internet access to validate health checks. This will allow the mobile application to evaluate real-time survey results at the location for which the Guard is registered. This application allows user data to remain private while ensuring that users are complying with facility or organization rules regarding safely returning to that location. In previous videos, I've generated health checks that have a status of pass, warning, or alert. In this series, I will demonstrate installing, logging in, adding a facility, and validating a user's health check using HealthCheck Guard. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm using an iPad mini and validating a QR code from a Samsung Galaxy. The mobile applications are cross-device compatible and available in both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, for right now, I'm actually in the Apple App Store, and I'm able to quickly just look for HealthCheck Guard from Stratum Health Solutions. When I've found it, I can download it and install it, and it takes just a moment to install. And after it's done, I can then go ahead and click Open. Just like everything else, it's a standard email and user and password to be able to log in. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've created a user account that has the email address of HealthCheck Guard. If I can type. And that is at gmail.com. I'm just going to go ahead and paste my password in and go ahead and click on sign in. Now you can see I've logged in and I'm ready to start working in very short order. Now quickly I can take a look at my profile and see that my profile is there. I could go ahead and change my password if I were to want to do so. I can also click on facilities and realize that I need to add a facility. I'm going to go ahead and do that for the purposes of this demonstration, and when I click on Add Facility, it prompts me for my facility code. That facility code is provided by the organization or by your location, and for the purposes of this demonstration, the facility code I'm going to use is 03, small w, small d, capital 0 again, small t, small u, capital T. And when I go ahead and click on Add, at this point, you can see I have been registered for this facility. Now at Corporate HQ will show up. Thank you for watching video number 1 in the HealthCheck Guard help video series. As always, we're always able to assist you by sending an email to support@stratumhealth.io or by visiting our support website at https://support.stratumhealth.io. Thank you and have a good day.